The science of higher highs and lower lows plays a foundational role in technical trading, offering traders a clear framework for interpreting market structure and forecasting potential price movements. At its core, this concept reflects the natural rhythm of trending markets, where an uptrend is defined by a series of higher highs and higher lows, and a downtrend by lower lows and lower highs. Recognizing these patterns helps traders determine the dominant trend direction, assess the strength of that trend, and time their entries and exits more effectively. When prices consistently form higher highs, it signals increasing buyer strength and sustained bullish momentum, encouraging traders to look for long opportunities on pullbacks or breakouts. Conversely, lower lows suggest intensifying selling pressure and a bearish environment, prompting traders to anticipate short setups. This visual sequence not only reveals price sentiment, but also aids in identifying potential reversals when the pattern breaks, such as a failure to form a new high in an uptrend or a higher low forming in a downtrend. The concept also helps in drawing reliable trend lines, channels, and projecting targets based on swing highs and lows, which are crucial for risk management and trade planning. Moreover, higher highs and lower lows act as confirmation tools when used with indicators like RSI, MACD, or moving averages, filtering out false signals and enhancing the reliability of setups. In price action trading, this science becomes even more critical, as traders rely solely on raw price behavior without indicators. By studying the sequence and magnitude of highs and lows, they gain insights into market psychology, whether buyers are consistently willing to pay higher prices or sellers are forcing the market lower. These dynamics help in recognizing accumulation or distribution phases, breakouts, and trend exhaustion, offering strategic clues that go beyond surface-level chart observations. The higher high-lower-low structure also supports multi-time frame analysis, allowing traders to align trades with the broader trend while refining entries on smaller time frames. Furthermore, this method reduces emotional trading, as decisions are grounded in observable patterns rather than speculation. In volatile or consolidating markets, where trend clarity is lacking, understanding the break of previous swing highs or lows becomes a tactical way to anticipate directional bias. Ultimately, mastering the science of higher highs and lower lows enhances a trader's ability to read charts with precision, adapt to market conditions, and make informed decisions based on logic and structure rather than guesswork. Whether trading forex, stocks, binary options, or crypto, this price behavior principle remains universally applicable and indispensable in developing a disciplined and profitable trading approach.